went to Paris, looking for answers to questions that bothered him so. He was in prison, young and aggressive, chained in the world on his home. Warm summer breezes, French wines and cheeses kept his ambitions at bay. Summers and winters scattered like splinters, and 4 or 5 years slipped away. He went to England, played the piano, and married an actress named Kim. She was a good wife, they had a good life, and she bore him a young son named Jim. All of the answers and all of the questions locked in his attic one day. He liked the good life, clean country living, and 20 more years slipped away. Now the bombs killed his lady, the war killed his baby, left him with only one eye. His body was battered, his whole world was shattered, and all he could do was just cry. While his tears were falling, he was recalling the answers that he'd never found. Hopped on a freighter, skidded the ocean, and left England without a sound. Let's go to the islands, Robert. Now he lives in the islands, fishes his pilings, and he drinks his green label each day. He's writing his memoirs and he's losing his hearing, but he don't care what most people say. After 86 years of perpetual motion, he'll smile if he likes it and he'll say, some of it was magic, some of it was tragic, but I had a good life all the way. He went to Paris, looking for answers to questions that bothered him so. Thank you very much. That's why I wanted to do that song. Thanks.